full work weeks every single month that could be put into your business, your side hustle, or even just relaxing with family. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that can literally give you your time back. And trust me, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. Here's the deal. I've personally tested dozens of AI tools across content creation, marketing, productivity, and automation. Some were overhyped and wasted even more of my time. But these 10, they are absolute game changers. Whether you're a student trying to study smarter, a business owner drowning in admin tasks, or a content creator constantly stuck editing, these tools will transform the way you work. And the best part, each one can save you anywhere from 5 to 20 hours every month, easily adding up to over 100 hours saved. Let's start with the obvious, but most powerful, ChatGPT. Now, you might think of it just as a chatbot, but used the right way, it's like having a personal writing assistant, strategist, and idea machine in your pocket. Need to draft 20 emails? Done in 5 minutes. Struggling with a blog post intro? Written in seconds. Stuck on what to say in a YouTube script? It can outline the whole thing for you. On average, I'd say ChatGPT saves me at least 20 hours a month. That's half a work week. The key is to create prompt templates so you're not wasting time experimenting. For example, write me a blog outline with 3 key sections, a hook intro, and a call to action at the end. That simple structure keeps you from endlessly tweaking. Next is Otter.ai. If you've ever been in back-to-back meetings, you know the pain of taking notes while trying to stay engaged. Otter solves that instantly by transcribing meetings in real time and even generating summaries. Imagine finishing a 1-hour meeting and instantly having bullet point notes ready to send to your team. No more spending another hour writing up summaries. If you're in a corporate or client-heavy role, this one tool can easily save you 10+ hours a month. I once worked with a client who had 5 to 6 client calls every week. Before Otter, he would spend his evenings summarizing calls, easily 4 to 5 hours per week. With Otter, that dropped to 0. That's an entire workday freed up. Jasper is specifically built for marketers and businesses. Instead of struggling for hours to come up with headlines, ad copy, or product descriptions, Jasper generates dozens of variations in minutes. The difference is, Jasper is trained to write in persuasive, conversion-focused styles. For a small business owner, that means no more staring at a blank screen for hours trying to figure out the right tagline. One campaign that used to take a week to brainstorm and finalize can now be ready in under an hour. I'd estimate Jasper saves at least 10 to 15 hours a month for anyone running ads or writing sales material. Tool number 4 is Midjourney. Let's be honest, creating visuals used to mean either hiring a designer, buying stock photos, or spending hours in Photoshop. With Midjourney, you type a prompt, and within seconds you have professional quality visuals. Need a thumbnail idea, a background image, a logo mock-up? Done. Instead of spending 2 to 3 hours in Canva trying to make something look decent, Midjourney gets you there in minutes. Realistically, this saves me at least 5 hours every month, but for designers and creators, it could be much more. I once worked with a client who had 5 to 6 client calls every week. Before Otter, video editing is one of the most time-consuming creative tasks out there. Runway is an AI-powered video tool that helps you remove backgrounds, cut clips, and even generate B-roll automatically. What used to take me an hour of editing now takes 10 minutes. For creators posting consistently on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, Runway can save you 20 to 30 hours every month. That's basically an entire week of editing. Tool number 6 is Notion AI. If you already use Notion, you know it's great for organizing tasks, notes, and projects. Add AI to the mix, and suddenly you can summarize long documents, generate task lists, or even brainstorm project ideas without leaving the app. It's like having an assistant inside your productivity system. I've used it to summarize research articles in seconds, instead of spending hours skimming. That's another 5 to 10 hours saved monthly. Number 7 is Descript, and if you work with audio or video, this is a lifesaver. Descript lets you edit video and audio as if you're editing a Word document. Delete words from the transcript, and they're cut from the video automatically. Need to remove filler words like or Done with one click. Podcasters alone can save 10 hours per episode. Video creators who spend days editing can cut that time in half. I edited a 30-minute podcast episode in under 20 minutes using Descript. Before, it took me 3 to 4 hours. Copy.ai is another AI writer, but it's especially good for social media content and brainstorming. Struggling to come up with 30 Instagram captions? Done in 5 minutes. Need Twitter thread ideas? Generated instantly. What used to take hours of brainstorming now takes minutes. For a social media manager, this tool alone can save 15+ hours every month. Number 9 is Perplexity. Think of it as ChatGPT meets Google. It's an AI search engine that doesn't just give you answers but also provides sources. Instead of spending hours digging through articles, you get direct, reliable answers with citations. For students, entrepreneurs, and researchers, this can easily save 10+ hours per month. The bonus? You avoid rabbit holes of endless searching and stay focused. And finally, tool number 10, Zapier with AI. This one's less flashy but incredibly powerful. Zapier connects your apps together, Gmail, Slack, Notion, Google Sheets, and automates workflows. Add AI into the mix, and it can even make smart decisions, like automatically drafting replies, categorizing data, or updating project boards. Think about all the small, repetitive tasks you do daily. With AI-powered automation, you never touch them again. Easily 20+ hours a month saved for entrepreneurs and teams. So, let's recap quickly. ChatGPT for writing, Otter for meeting notes, Jasper for marketing, Midjourney for design, Runway for video editing, Notion AI for productivity, Descript for podcasts, Copy.ai for social content, Perplexity for research, and Zapier AI for automation. Together, these tools can save you well over 100 hours every month. That's more than 2 work weeks. Imagine what you could do with that time. Launch a new project, spend more time with your family, or finally take that trip you've been putting off. Here's my question for you. Which of these tools are you already using, and which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more practical AI hacks that save you time and money, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Because remember, time is the one resource you can never get back. Don't waste it. Use AI to take it back.